Hey Ted, here's your video lesson for your missed class today. So first thing is, let's just talk about some of the fundamental things we can do, just to review, and so you have a video of it as well. So the first thing is just this finger exercise, right? So I'm in the 5th position, and I'm playing on the 6th string right now, and I'm playing first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, third finger, second finger, first finger, and then first finger, fourth finger, 3, 4, and then second finger, fourth finger, third finger, fourth finger. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Okay, so that's just a great exercise to do, and I would recommend to do that with me and with the metronome as well. The next thing that you can work on is some chordal things. So I think we talked about power chords at one point. So just like first finger, third finger, just a whole step apart. So it's like first fret, 6th, and then 3rd fret. Go ahead and try to learn, the classic rock and the quote-unquote classic rock songs that, everyone learns. We're talking about Sweet Child of Mine. But, go ahead and check out Smells Like Teen Spirit, because that's a great one to learn, and you'll really learn how to play with style. So that song, it's just, it's a power chord on the 6th and 5th strings, first position. And then it's another power chord on the next set of strings. And then you just do the same thing on the 4th fret, 4th position. Okay, all together. Right, so if I play just those chords by itself, still a vibe, honestly. But it's not until you get the right hand moving you really start to feel that sort of 90s grunge feeling. So let's talk about that. So one thing that you'll have to check out is just getting the strings to mute, right? So I'm fretting it in a way where I'm applying pressure to the 6th and 5th string, but I'm not applying pressure to the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd and 1st, but I'm touching them with the index finger. So if I strum everything, I'll still only get those 2 strings ringing. But it's nice because I do that, I can kind of do controlled muting with the left hand. So I'm playing, holding it down, and then I can stop the sound by just letting go of the left hand, right? So that's the first thing you want to work on, is just right. Same thing here, just squeeze, release. And then the right hand is you're kind of like, when you're not playing the chord, you're just kind of strumming up and down. You'll notice I'm strumming here. Partly it's so you can kind of see because of the frame of the video, but also you might want to explore that area whenever you're doing sort of like funky strumming things on the electric, especially. I find that it doesn't sound as good around the sound hole all the time. It just gets rid of some of that brightness for when, you know, when you're in the studio recording pop hits. You say, oh, well, I remember Mike told me to strum up here. Same thing here. Okay. The next thing I would recommend to do, and this is much better explained in person, but try to use the blues scale that we've learned. Right? Which is in the Introduction to Guitar packet. And put on some backing tracks on YouTube and just start jamming along to it. You know, it'll just give you that rhythm, like. Right? And then you can just kind of play the scale. Just really simple, up and down. Right. Because that's also something that will come in handy when you're learning electric guitar esque tunes. You know, a lot of times the riffs that they play, they come from that scale. I was trying to play Layla by Eric Clapton, if you're not familiar. I'll work on that, but yeah, that's also using the blues scale. Another thing that you want to get into, I know we're kind of just shortly arriving and departing on these subjects, but you want to start to research playing notes with some sort of stylistic thing. So the first thing is a slide. So like, let's say we're still making in this scale. Let's pick this note. The note that's preceding that in the scale is, so I'm going to start here and slide into it. That's a lot cooler, you know, if I'm playing a blues. Solo's coming up and you go, right, rather than going, right. verses. Okay, slide, and then also you can give it a little vibrato. Just shake the note like a human voice would if it was singing at a high volume. Right? And then also you can do bends. Yeah, let's talk about that next time I see you. And I hope you had a nice shooting at work. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.